We know it can be a nightmare to write property descriptions, so we have created a tool to give you some inspiration or even write them for you. To create an AI-generated property description for a project, head to the project card and click Property Description. Firstly, select your writing style and then select the description type. You can then decide between social media post or listing description. Then head to the Information tab. Here you will see the information about the property automatically detected from your captures. You can add specific features which you feel are relevant by clicking the Add button under each room. In this example, I am specifying his and hers sinks. Next, location. Here you can add the location of the property. Once added, you can click the magnifying glass icon, which will automatically pull information about local amenities such as transport links, schools, and restaurants. Feel free to add any additional information you feel would help the description. Once you are happy, click Generate. This will then utilize a language model to create the description for you. Once generated, you can make edits to the text by clicking in the text box and click Save once you are happy with it. If you would like to generate a new response, just press the Regenerate button. Please note, you can only save one description at a time per property, and there is a limit of 10 generations per project.